how to instant result in Football Manager 26, or how to do that. But all you have to do is just go into your match. So just press on this, or just go to match in the top right. And once you're there, you should be able to see in the team selection that there is an instant result button right on the left of the go to match option. What you're gonna have to do is just press on that and you will get this little notification. So it will ask you if you are sure you want to leave this match to your staff, and just go ahead and press on confirm. If you want to change anything, of course you can do that by pressing cancel. But once you press on confirm, you'll get a team selection. So you're gonna be able to press on yes once you're asked to proceed with the simulation of the match. But it's gonna be an instant result. So once you press on yes, you will directly go to the fixtures and results. But that's pretty much how you get instant results in Football Manager 26. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.